Coming up on tomorrow's teachings.
Shoot, I think I forgot my wallet at the shop. I'll be back. Bye.
Okay. Okay, he's gone, but he'll be back soon.
Bae, great news. They said they can get a plumber right now.
Oh, thank God. How long until he's here?
They said about 20, 30 minutes, but I gotta run. They need someone at the shop right now.
What? You're gonna leave me here to handle it?
Oh, he'll fix it, but I gotta go, sorry.
All right.
Hey, I'm Jace. I'm fixing your pipes today.
Really?
Yeah, is this the Lee's residence, correct?
Yes. I'm sorry.
Yeah, for sure. So what seems to be the problem?
Well, my sink is broken. No water will come out, like, at all.
Okay, it's probably a clog. But I'll go take a look at it, okay? You okay?
Yeah, sorry.
No worries.
So how long have you been doing this for?
A little under 3 years now.
So you're really good.
Yeah, I guess so. I work with a lot of very good plumbers, but this one. I'm actually finished.
Done already?
I'm done, like I said. It's just a very common clog. Everything should be perfect now.
You're perfect.
Hey, babe. Oh, hey. What are you doing?
I'm just relaxing.
Where's the plumber?
He left?
But his car's still outside.
He's in there. He probably just hasn't left yet.
Okay. Things good?
Yep.
Okay. All right.
What are you doing?
The bathroom.
Why don't you use the other one?
Well, I like to test out a new sink.
Okay.
Shoot, I think I forgot my wallet at the shop. I'll be back. Bye.
Okay. Okay, he's gone, but he'll be back soon.
You're a cheater!
No, babe, it's not what it looks like.
No. You! Get out of my house right now.
I was just cleaning her pipes.
Get out.
Babe, it's not what it looks like.
How could you do this to me? We've been married for 5 years.
I'm sorry, nothing happened.
No, you too. You get out. Leave.
You were acting crazy. You're just jealous because he's more handsome than you. Greg, hi!
Oh, hey Trish. It's been a while.
I'm thinking about you a lot.
How are you and the plumber?
He turned out not to be what I expected. Okay, I was thinking we could start over, like old times, when we were in love.
You know, you said some mean thing to me back then. You never loved me, you cheated on me, plus you made me realize my worth. I never needed you.
Really?
I'm sorry, Trish, but it's true. I'm a new Sigma male now, and I am also Andrew Tate friends, the Andrew Tate. Oh, and this is my girlfriend. She's loyal to me. She loved me. Sorry, Trish.
Hey guys, it's Adrian from Tomorrow's Teachings, and first of all, stay loyal. You love somebody, show them, never cheat on them. We all live here together, so let's make this world a better place, one video at a time. If you like the video, make sure to hit the like button down below, share with your friends and family, subscribe to see weekly videos Monday and Friday. We're just trying to spread awareness of our journey, one video at a time. Thank you.